Hello. I wanted to take a minute to go over an addition, something we added to the quality sample entry part of the application in our June 2020 release, which is version 4.31. Up until this release in quality sample entry, you had the ability to enter quality data against a batch or a batch operation or a component lot, a lot on hand, as well as a process unit. A process unit would be like a holding tank vessel with some stuff in it, and you can test the intermediate or the product that's sitting within that holding tank. What we added is process cell. Now, just remember what a process cell is in Vicinity. This is one or more machines joined together to produce a product. It is not an individual vessel or an individual piece of equipment, but think of it more, say, a production line. So in my demo environment, I've got a couple of production lines set up. And so this is actually running tests or recording observations on the line itself, on the groups of pieces of equipment. It functions identically to the rest of quality sample entry, gives a sample number associated with it, but it is only associated with this line on this specific date and time. So it's really good for kind of environmental type testing or getting a production line ready to go. We currently do not have default tests and specifications set up yet. So at this point, just pick the tests or observations you're interested in recording. From the left, these are going to be all the tests you have set up. Just hit add, and then you can drop in your results, and that'll get saved. In a subsequent release, we plan to add defaults by process cell, and there's some functionality we're looking for, and we'd love to get some feedback from you. So take an opportunity to take a look at it and see how this might be helpful and help us move this forward. We appreciate your help, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.